Okay, started?
Started.
So were you saying that Viksit Bharat developed India, that is developed India, whether it is a fiction or reality? You want to ask this question?
Right.
Fiction or reality?
Right.
So I would say that
You can listen to him.
just
He's very
listen to me.
intelligent.
I am a cardiologist in Delhi. I have traveled all over the world. I have been to Australia more than 5 times, to America more than 35 times, to Europe more than 70 times, and I have seen the whole world, Malaysia, Singapore, Pakistan, Afghanistan, everywhere. So developed country means the country where you don't have poverty. Focus on me. Developed country means where you don't have poverty. Every child should sleep with full stomach. There should not be any hunger, and everybody should get enough healthcare facilities so that people have at least the chance to survive more and more. As of now, India is still not developed. It's still a developing country for last so many years. India got independence in 1947, and after that, before that, India was actually completely ruled by Britishers and then Muslims and then Mughal rules and all. So Indian mindset has changed over a period of time. The Indian system, the people of India are still not being able to recover from the DNA have changed. What we need is, of course, the leadership of Prime Minister Modi has done something which is unparalleled, which has not been done. He has been a very hard-working Prime Minister. You see, there are two things which are required in leadership. One is, of course, selfless service. The two things which are required in leadership, one is selfless service, and second is, of course, thinking about the poor people as well as the affordable people. I think these two qualities are there in our Prime Minister, and therefore I personally feel that 2047 is still too far west. I would appreciate and I would like and I would feel and I would dream that India should become developed in the next 10 years. For example, why I am saying so? I have lived in France for 2 years. Example, healthcare facility, India versus France. In France, all of government hospitals, I have seen your country also. In France, all government hospitals are completely equipped with every facility. For example, angioplasty. These things are available in all government hospitals. All means even the small villages, cities where, and therefore they are covering everything. In India, the primary health center, the secondary health center, they still are having very poor facilities, which will take time. Why we are still not developed? Because of two reasons. Of course, corruption. Corruption is one thing, but it's not true that corruption does not exist in Europe. There's very high level corruption everywhere, America, Europe, everywhere. But in India, we have a low level corruption also, which hampers the development process. Why corruption happens? Because everybody is not having enough food. Corruption will stop once you start giving full food to the empty stomach. Corruption will not stop because you are putting a police behind it. Corruption is a mindset. If you are having enough food here, you would not like to steal anything. If you have enough salary, then you would be satisfied. That means the salary structure of all the people. For example, police, the salary structure should go up. Healthcare, the salary structure should go up. From where the money will come? Money will come, we stop corruption at the high level. We stop corruption at the high level, corruption at the lower level go away automatically. Why? For example, the whole Delhi, if you see Delhi, yes, you've seen the best of the places. You have not seen the slums of Bombay where still people are hungry, people not able to find food. तो इस तरह की चीज़ों खत्म करने के लिए आप लीडरशिप, स्ट्रिक्ट लीडरशिप लाइक प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी, I feel 2047 is still too far. We should achieve this before 10 years. If we can stop corruption, if we can increase the overall quality of life of the general public. Improve the quality of life, corruption will go away. Corruption will not stop by policing and finding and putting somebody to jail. Putting somebody to jail, the corruption will not stop. Corruption will stop from the mindset. It is the mindset of the people that just have to come up. And the mindset will be okay when everybody gets food, healthcare, medicines free of cost. That will happen, and I think this leadership is good enough, having the image, they have enough potential to do this, and I think people say it's a one-man show, two-man show, and you need that thing. If you have full freedom to every minister, the things will not work, because every minister cannot be so good in thinking. So I appreciate, I applaud Mr. Narendra Modi. Doctor बोल दिया सकता है डॉक्टर मिल जाए. I'm a doctor, that's why Mr. Narendra Modi for doing this. I'm Dr. Vivek Gupta, Apollo Hospital, New Delhi, thinking about and speaking my mind thought process, which I do. I've done more than 10,000 angioplasties. I am very good in doing procedures of angioplasty. I've saved. Fortunately, I'm privileged to be saving so many lives. But finally, the God decide who will save the life. So I've done lot of angioplasty. You can see my YouTube, Dr. Vivek Gupta cardiologist. You just see and you can find me everywhere. So I feel that this country will grow, and this will grow not at the cost of other people. You have to grow at the cost. Don't take away somebody's snatch. Don't snatch the thing from उससे ले लिया. आपने वहाँ चोरी कर ली, वहाँ कर ली, और अपना पेट भर लिया. No, you have to do yourself. You have to work hard, and working hard will bring success to this. Thank you very much.
Very good.
So the essence of his talk is that